Okay, so today we're here with the Nike Air Max 1 collaboration with streetwear brand Parra on the second day of the lockdown sneaker showcase. These released on the 21st of July 2018 for a price of £115. And they're a very special pair of trainers to me. Despite their high resale value at the time, I wasn't shy about wearing them. I got them a bit dirty, but I just love the colorway so much, how much it stands out, how bold the colors are. And Air Max 1s you just can't go wrong with. They're such a comfortable pair of trainers, and just look at these, look how nice they are. These are a perfect shoe for a bright summer's day. Nice white, clean shoe with bold colours on the upper. Great detailing with the polka dots and the pink back. And the blue Nike swoosh just stands out so much, and even the box, it just goes so well with the shoes.